Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to share with you the ultimate VR workout that I fell madly in love with the first time I ever tried it. Well, even though I fell in love with it, it was a little different. Actually, it was very different than a typical workout I have done ever in my life. So I want to share my progress. To be completely transparent, I tried Supernatural for the first time in year 2022 at an event hosted by Supernatural in New York. So that's what I'm gonna share, but I have some comments and I think it's something you might wanna hear. So my history on VR workout, okay, to be really honest, I tried VR maybe 7-8 years ago when it was still being developed. It was a painting tool and I was in a crazy universe and I was painting. That's all I remember. I don't even remember the name, system name or anything, but it was definitely nothing close to MetaQuest 2 nor Supernatural workout. So this was the first time where I felt like the Supernatural workout was like surreal, and it was fascinating the fact that you could wear a headset and you feel like you're transported to a different parts of the world, and it's like so beautiful scenery. So super excited. At first, I had Supernatural team actually give me instructions on how to use the device, and the navigation as well was well explained to me. So I had no problem getting settled in with the workout, and I got myself situated really quickly, and yes, it was not a problem. So when you see the Supernatural workout screen, it's fascinating, it's beautiful, yet I was still confused because first time VR, and I'm like, where is this? Where is that? And one thing cool about it is like, I hear a lot from people that VR workout makes you, or VR in general, makes you a little dizzy, but I did not experience any dizziness with Supernatural workout, so it was really great. My headgear was on right, so you have to make sure that you tighten the back and you have to pull the strings so it fits your face correctly. That is the first thing you have to do well in order for you to not get any headache or any problems. So I made sure to do that. I first went through the intro session of flow workouts and boxing workouts, and they were really intense. Let me tell you that. I'm actually, when it comes to fitness, I've loved fitness for a long time. I boxed for years, so I am familiar with this fitness world and boxing world. However, something like flow was completely different and very out of my comfort zone. So it was quite interesting. And also it looks like a sword, like a laser sword, right? So, and they're like shifting like this, and like the triangles, there's triangles that you bent, or like you do lunges, squats, like it's for your lower body workout and your feet movements. They were like glowing triangles, and I was like, ooh, I love this. It felt like a little like DDR vibe moment, nostalgic moment for me. When I came to boxing, the same beam goes into straight lines for when you duck, so it goes lower bar, and then it goes into sideways for slips, right? And then you do, well, I call it roll, because that's what I was taught when I did boxing for the first time. But I think it's something else on Supernatural game. So it was very interesting because, okay, little moment here. It's just personal, but I had PTSD from having a burn on my skin, and at first it was a little scary. But don't worry, there's no physical pain with VR, okay? So yeah. I was just overreacting, but the graphic feels so real, and the handles actually vibrate when you hit strikes, when you hit the object or the balloons, right? So because every time like you get it right, you would feel that vibration. So it feels like you're actually hitting, not just swinging in the air, right? So it makes it more exciting because of that vibration that's already there. Now, when it came to the workout, it did not, I swear, it did not feel like a game, right? It was so entertaining, but I definitely felt like I was working out. It was a fun workout. It was not like a game. So I really liked that I didn't feel like I was wasting my time trying to beat this thing as just score based. That's exciting too, but beyond that, I really felt like I had a very concentrated time and I got to work out. And it's so good because you're wearing a headset, there's no distractions anywhere. If you need to focus more, and if you feel like you're getting distracted, what you could do is actually use the headphone, and it does noise cancellation. So when you set the volume high, you cannot hear any surrounding, you cannot see any surrounding. Of course, it's within your designated play area, so it's great. So I definitely felt like I was transported into a different universe or different parts of the world to do this workout. Another thing I really liked about this workout is that there are professional coaches that are in front of you. So it feels like a one-on-one personal training session where they go over the warm-up first, and then you do either flow or boxing, followed by cool down. During the workout, flow and boxing, audibly, they speak to you, so they help you. So if it's like a combo move of boxing, they'll be like, let's go, and then go jab, jab, cross, like they say it. So it's exciting. It feels like you're really training on your own with the instructor, one-on-one private session. So we all know how much private sessions cost. It's probably, one session probably costs, or 2 sessions probably cost like the whole price of MetaQuest 2 now. So it was quite interesting how just a small device, very portable, and with this virtual workout, it just like changed my game. So another exciting thing about this workout is that it could be done in a small space. So I was excited to try it. I was excited to take it home. So I actually have subscription, and I live in an apartment. And many of us have limited space and we live in apartments or a house that's like really old, so you can't jump. And honestly, I love the fact that there's no jumping, because like I could play it anywhere. So flow is high intensity. Boxing is high intensity workout, but there's no jumping in it. There's only knee strikes. So all those workouts will not get your neighbors to complain about jumping. So when I first did my workout, I actually had my tracker on of how many calories I burned. I burned 500 in 35 to 40 minutes, and because I did that in the meditation, so it was awesome. So after that rigorous session, I actually spent some time to meditate in this beautiful world, and I needed it. Okay, I live in New York. I live in a chaotic city, and I live in a tiny apartment. You probably hear over my voice here and there, and there's traffic noise out there. There's like ambulance sounds. Like it's chaotic in New York. Okay, you guys. And that meditation, peaceful moment was my jam. Just made me so happy. I felt like this was an escape that I really needed, so I was really happy. So this video is not sponsored, okay? I'm just making this video as an additional information on Supernatural because I love it so much. So if you already have MetaQuest 2, then check it out. If you don't have a MetaQuest 2, I'm also leaving a link down below so you could order your MetaQuest 2 and try this workout if you want to. I hope this video really helped you get a little insight of what to expect from Supernatural workout on MetaQuest 2. So if you found this video to be helpful or entertaining, or you just want to say hi, please thumbs up this video. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you want to keep watching me make a fool out of myself in further videos of you doing this workout, then subscribe to my channel and we'll keep in touch that way. So that was it for me today. I hope to see you soon. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye.